Hi Leo, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 17th of May to the 23rd of May. What's coming to you in this time period? I'm going to look at that through the tarot cards. So, what's in your environment is Page of Wands. So, Page of Wands is yourself, maybe, or some kind of uplifting situation, new start, beneficial situations coming to you. But with the Page of Wands, you exactly cannot say that everything will work out according to what you are wishing for, but it can tell you that you will be enthusiastic regarding new situations, new travels. It can mean good news, it can mean moderately an uplifting situation for you, and this will bring in some kind of enthusiasm, and you will be ready to get and go in this time period. And this is also a small change in your status quo energy. So from where you were, this is going to take you towards a new direction. So a new direction is also hinted at this time. So there is a new beginning, yes, which is happening in your close relationship, love life, partnerships, associations, friendships. So with Two of Cups, you are going to begin a new situation with someone. This could be an initial new journey with someone. This could be a new living situation. This could be new job, new association, new deal. So this is a love, maybe partnership, soul, or soulful conversations with someone. So you will have this Two of Cups, very beautiful energy in the initial phase of your emotions. You are starting once again, or starting a new situation for yourself. The World card and the Magician tells us that you have been manifesting something, and you'll be recognized, and you'll be delivering in this time period. So a great change has happened in your life, and now you are moving forward towards a new world, and the new world is approaching or progressing with the Page of Wands energies. This is fun, this is short trips, this is travel, this is ending of one travel, starting of new travels in a new zone, new place. This can also mean that you are delivering in a circumstance. You will be recognized for the work that you have done. So a hard work period has gotten over, and you are coming into a privileged situation. Some of you will see increase in income, some of you will see better living standards, some of you will see luxury in your life, some of you will see a new love situation, new marriage situation happening for you. So with the King of Wands energy, you are in a very good spirit, ready to take up this adventure, think big, and make things bigger. So with the Ace of Swords, the realities of life will be very, very clear in front of you. This is also cautioning some of you that the success that you are getting should not get into your head. This can also mean that you should not start feeling privileged, or because things keep happening and there are ups and downs in life. So always be prepared for that. But the King of Wands energy is a very purposeful person, which is the energy of the Leo, whether male or female. You will have this gung ho energy, you will have this get and go energy, you will move towards a new direction, you will be more leader like in this time period. Also, some of you are entrepreneurial, starting everything on your own. So very independent, very free spirited, and pursuer of passion kind of energy, someone who will put their goals in front of them and then achieve one by one. So you will have that energy, Leo, which I am seeing here. So in terms of your job or work, you were in some kind of separation from job situation, you took your time, you were on some kind of a break, and you were feeling some kind of loss or betrayal in your situation, but you made sure that this is your second house energy, the Virgo energy. So regarding your resources, you have got separated maybe, or you are seeing some kind of small loss or something, but you are going to take time to tap into your wisdom regarding your resources. So it could be human resource which were around you, it could be, your home, shelter. You could have been separated from that. That's a possibility. But it also tells you that you are right now in a very stable position. Any kind of change or any kind of separation is not affecting you economically, because you will be stable, you will be attracting lucrative proposal, you will be doing well, you are practical, and you will be in some kind of balance. So there are memories of your old situation right now in your economy, and you are looking for that kind of harmony. You could be remembering your resources, and you could be remembering old times in this time period regarding your workplace. With the Six of Pentacles, I am seeing that you are looking forward to being generous, or you could be receiving some loan, you could be getting some money in this time period, and you will be compensated for whatever you are feeling away from. So there is a possibility that some of you could be separated, or you could be doing a work without a team in this time period. So I can see that you may have separated from a person in your life who was very supportive, maybe Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So could be possible. In terms of your personal life, you are however very hopeful in your life. Hopeful situations are developing. You have come you have come far away in your love life, or you are expanding your love situation. You could be deciding to take a leap forward, or you could be thinking of taking a risk regarding a long distance partner in this time period, and you could be exploring options in your love situation. So there is a new situation developing. Have hope regarding a long term partner, or you could be wanting to move towards that partner, and you are looking for options. So everything is possible with the Two of Wands. This can be prospecting for a new partner. It could be moving towards a new partner who could be far away from you. It could be a separation, but you are hopeful regarding going back, or you could be meeting that person, looking at options to meet with this person. So Four of Swords energy is your obstacle. So Four of Swords obstacle can mean that some of you are cutting out people. Maybe sometimes some of you forget about them, some of you are taking a break from someone, and that is creating a kind of negative energy. But angels are saying sky is your limit. You can always go back to wherever you want. You can always establish new situations in your life. You can always talk to new people. So maybe for some of you, your world has changed and you have stepped into a new world. So there is a location change, there is travel happening, there is a new after a old cycle has ended, you are moving towards a new cycle, and you had manifested it. So basically you should not feel all alone or broken away from people. That is what is a bit of a negative in this period. Even if you are away from people, you are going to bring back the same kind of camaraderie, team spirit back in your life with new endeavors. That is what angels are saying. So let's look at your outcome. I forgot to take out your outcome. So what's your outcome for this week? What's the outcome for Leo from, what's the outcome or summary for Leo from 17th to the 23rd of May 2025? So, very nice. So the Ace of Cups and the Eight of Cups. So Ace of Cups tells us that you have departed from somewhere, you have left some situations behind, sadness behind. The outcome is telling me that finally whatever may be troubling you, whatever may be the cause of concern because of a departure, that is going to end, because a new situation is coming up. So you have decided to let go of a situation and move towards a new target, new place, new person. And with the Ace of Cups, there is rejuvenation. There is going to be new feeling, pure situation. You will start looking inwards and making, changes within yourself, feeling better. Your cup will overflow. Your emotions will focus on you, yourself. And that is going to give you this Nine of Wands energy. A person who is a bit challenged at this time because of their long journey of trial and errors, but they are still standing. They have not given up on their loved ones. They have not given up on their old life. They will be still standing even if the geographical situation has changed, or even if they have been brought by their fate to a different situation or a different level. With the Three of Cups, finally you will be healing, and you will be having many social interactions and invitations. You will be feeling a reunion of some sort. You can be in a better social situation. Ultimately, bottom of the deck is showing Six of Wands. So you are overcoming a situation in your life which has created some kind of sense of loss, but it is going to feel better in a few days. So let's read out the angels and ancestors card. So the trader card has come for you. It is asking you to exchange energy to create abundance. It is asking you to make connections and exchange information, talents, or support. The universe operates under the law of cause and effect and is always looking to return to a restored state of balance. So if you are lacking in the feelings of abundance at this time, you are being invited to share your time, your gifts, and your understanding with others. If you are frustrated because something isn't unfolding in your life, instead of asking yourself what you can get, ask yourself what you can give. The exchange of energy doesn't necessarily mean financial energy. It can also be about supporting in order to feel supported. If you have been holding back with your offerings, now is the time to change it and allow yourself to be open, honest, and vulnerable. This can prepare you to open up to even greater opportunities in the coming days, weeks, and months. So this is for you, Leo. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you are feeling challenged because of separation, if you are feeling challenged because of isolation, if you are feeling challenged with a new environment, if you are feeling challenged with a new job, this is the time to open your heart, exchange your gifts, support others so that you feel supported. That is what angels are saying. So exchange your energy with others. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal read. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. So write to me through the email ID and keep watching this channel, Tarot Priestess 1313. Bye bye.